फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम रिव्यू करेंगे पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बी एनालिस्ट डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब्स। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं, यू हैव प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग इन डेटा मॉडलिंग, डेक्स क्वेरीज एंड डैशबोर्ड क्रिएशन, you know how to integrate and transform data from multiple sources, how to deliver interactive reports to stakeholders, then this video is worth watching. इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और रिव्यू करेंगे जॉब्स, किन लोकेशंस पे जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज, रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, सैलरी एंड बेनिफिट्स दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, व्हाट आर द टेक्निकल स्किल्स रिक्रूटर्स आर लुकिंग फॉर, एंड हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीज जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज। और अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे ऐसे जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई, सीक्वल और पाइथन डेवलपर रोल, you are a mid-level professional, a student of data analytics, or you're looking for a fresher job or looking for an internship opportunity, then do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel right away. And apart from this YouTube platform, I regularly post videos on my Facebook page and my Instagram page as well. So if you'd like, you can follow both the channels for regular job notifications. And at the end of the video, if you found this video helpful and it can help you with your job search, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who need it. And do not forget to press like and share button. And if you have any questions related to this video or about this channel, or if you have any suggestions, you can reach me out through my mail ID callcentertalks26@gmail.com, or you can also message me directly on my Instagram handle and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Now let's move to the job piece. So the first company in the list is Parallel Dots, hiring for job Power BI developer. Job locations are remote. Salary would be competitive. Experience 1 to 3 years. Roles and responsibilities: develop and maintain advanced Power BI dashboards, reports, and data visualization based on business requirements. Collaborate with business stakeholders to gather reporting and analysis requirement. ETL data from multiple sources into Power BI, ensuring the data is accurate and up to date. Also create DEX queries to build complex calculations and business logic with reports and dashboards. And apart from this, troubleshoot and resolve reports, dashboards, and data source issues. So these are some key responsibilities for this job opportunities. If I talk about education qualification, bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, data analytics, or related field. Desired skills: a strong knowledge of Power BI desktop and Power BI service, including data loading, modeling, and visualization. Proficiency in DEX for creating desktop calculated fields, measures, and business logics. If you have prior experience in SQL and relational database, that would be good to have. And ability to create interactive, user-friendly dashboards and reports. So these are some key responsibilities and desired skills you need to have for this job opportunity. And if you want to apply for this job opportunity, I have already given a link in the description box. You can click from there and you can apply for this job opportunity. Let's move to the second job. Company name is Aptiv, hiring for BI developer. Job location is in Chennai. Salary would be competitive. Experience 2 to 4 years. Roles and responsibilities: develop and design interactive dashboards and reports using Qlik or Power BI based on business requirements. Work closely with the stakeholders to understand their reports, needs, and translate them into actionable BI solutions. Ensure data accuracy, integrity, and optimization of reports and dashboards. Troubleshoot and resolve issues related to data visualization and reporting tools. And continuously improve BI solutions to ensure they align with business objectives and provide real-time data insights. So these are some key responsibilities for this job opportunities. Education qualification: bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, data analytics, or related field. And if you have knowledge of Python for data analysis and automation, familiarity with Power Apps and Power Automate for process optimization, ability to adapt to changing business requirements and provide proactive, and also experience with SQL to query and manipulate data for reporting. So these are some key responsibilities and desired skills for this job opportunity. And if you are okay with this roles and responsibilities, qualification, and skills, you can apply for this job opportunity by clicking on this link, and you'll get this link in the description box of this video. Next company in the list is Deltec, hiring for Power BI developer. Job location is remote. Salary would be competitive. Experience 3 to 4 years. So if you have prior experience of at least 3 years and you are looking for a remote job opportunity as a Power BI developer, you can apply for this job position. Key responsibilities: expert level experience in Microsoft Power BI development, instilling a culture of best practice development and workflow. Also develop subject matter expertise on the key data sources for sales, business analysis to accurately understand user requirements. Able to resolve data roadblocks through troubleshooting, problem solving, and testing, prototype reports and dashboards to get users engaged and excited about the solution, and perform current state to future state detailed impact analysis activities and recommend and state solutions. Skills and qualifications: bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, data analytics, or related experience. Desired skills: data visualization, reports, and dashboards in Microsoft Power BI to management. Business requirements collected from stakeholders, including sales management, marketing, and product management. And strong analytical, conceptual, and problem solving abilities, ability to function independently and within an agile team. So, these are some key responsibilities and roles and responsibilities and desired skills for this job opportunity. And if you're interested for this job role, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Paychecks, hiring for B analyst. Job locations in Bangalore. Salary 4 to 9 lakhs per annum estimated. Experience 2 to 4 years. Key responsibilities: independently collaborates with diverse corporate departments, independently develops and sustains reports, dashboards, and key indicators utilized by the leadership team for tracking essential metrics such as client survey data, client loss analysis, and operating processing. Acts as an intermediary between operations, sales, and various stakeholders from business units to facilitate the identification, and identifies and improves business processes through analysis and recommendations to maximize departmental efficiency. So these are some key responsibilities for this job role. Educational qualification: if you are a bachelor, you can apply for this job opportunities. For this, you need to have at least 2 years of experience in technical experience with data and reporting concepts, tools, and proven capability to problem solve using quantitative and analytical skills. Quickly troubleshoot and resolve problems is strong technical aptitude, demonstrates written communication skills, and ability to analyze and interpret financial data. And if you have these required skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is ConMed, hiring for a BI developer. Job locations in Mumbai. Salary would be competitive. Experience 2 to 4 years. Roles and responsibilities: develop and maintain and manage advanced reporting, analytics, dashboards, and other BI solutions using Power BI. Collaborate with business users to gather requirements and translate them into technical specifications. Design and build data models, reports, and dashboards to support business decision making. Optimize and improve existing BI solutions for better performance and usability. Also, write complex SQL queries to extract, manipulate, and analyze data from various sources, and provide training and support to end users on BI tools and reports. So these are some key responsibilities for this job opportunity. If I talk about qualifications and skills, you need to have at least a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, data analytics, or related field. Proficiency in SQL and experience with relational databases, strong analytical and problem solving skills, excellent communication and collaboration skills, good problem solving skills, and superb attention to detail are essential. And you should be a team player with the ability to communicate effectively and develop solid working relationships across multiple levels. So these are some key responsibilities and qualifications and skills for this job role. If you think you are a right fit for the job opportunity, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Next company in the list is GenPact, hiring for management training Power BI. Job locations in Gurgaon. Salary would be competitive. Experience 1 to 3 years. Key responsibilities: efficiently carry out data preparation, data modeling necessary for the visualization purposes, gather reporting requirements from various stakeholders, architect the solution report, understand, analyze the sources data, and deliver the reports in a timely manner. Also, create and design intuitive and interactive reports and dashboards using Power BI for data driven decisions. Connect to SQL servers and other diverse data sources into Power BI, and display strong SQL skills, preferably over SQL Server, along with the strong data warehousing and business intelligence concepts. So, these are some key responsibilities for this job opportunity. Education qualification: BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, MBA, BSc, MSc, relevant work experience, and desired skills: relevant experience in Power BI and SQL, good communication skills, experience on any ETL tool, preferably SSIS would be a plus, and excellent MS Office skills, including MS Excel. So if you have these required skills, you are also good to go with roles and responsibilities. You can apply for this job opportunity by clicking on this link, and this link is available in the description box of this video. Next company in the list is Alstom, hiring for junior Power BI developer. Experience 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Bangalore. Salary would be 5 to 9 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: maintain and enhance several competency development dashboards in Power BI. development, analysis dashboard, etc. Gather business requirements to build ad hoc reports for business data analysis based on end user requirements. Build and develop data models, reporting systems, data automation systems, dashboards, and performance metrics support key business decisions. Also combine complex data sets to provide actionable insights for KPI improvement and enable faster decision making. And monitoring all training quality and participations for global training offered based on existing reports. So these are some key responsibilities for this junior Power BI developer position. Qualification and skills: bachelor's, master's degree in information system, business management, supply chain, or industrial engineering. Desired skills: understanding of different connectors for integration of different data sources, solid understanding in databases and reporting queries, multitasking in project mode on multiple projects at once, Power BI Quick Sense programming skills to maintain existing dashboards with special formulas or build new ones on request, and critical thinking problem solving skills. So if you have these required skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Last company in the list is KPMG, hiring for BI consultant, job locations in Pune, salary best in the industry, experience 3 to 5 years. Key responsibilities: design, develop, and maintain interactive data visualization and reports using Power BI, integrate Power BI reports into other applications for enhanced business capabilities, work with business stakeholders to understand their data visualization and business intelligence needs. Also, implement row level security on data and ensure compliance with data governance policies, and document processes and methodologies used in developing Power BI solutions. Skills and qualifications for the job role: you need to have at least a bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, data analytics, or related field, proven experience in data analysis, data visualization, and business intelligence tool, proficiency in Power BI, DEX, and data modeling, strong analytical and problem solving skills. And if you have certifications in relevant, such as Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate, would be a plus. So if you have these required skills and you're good to go with roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job opportunity for Power BI consulting. So friends, these are a few jobs related to Power BI developer and BI analyst job. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to press the like and share button. And thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.